boom, started recording on its own. Look at that. Roger here. I got 2 unboxings. I got one here and one here. I know what they all are, but you don't, and you'll find out. This is from 88 Films. This was a web store exclusive. Like I said, I already know where it is. Where's the little tear gimmicks they give you here? Is this? Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can get it all in one. Oh! No! Son of a biscuit. Ah! Ah! Ah, crap. How am I going to open this? Okay. Yeah, this one came pretty good. The other one, a little beat up. Hopefully my stuff is good in there. Hopefully. They packed it nice. Okay. Yep. '88 Films out of England. I would like to say the FOMO kind of got me because this was limited to 1,000, I believe. This is the web store exclusive of Eyeball. Look at that. Little nice, shiny, glossy cover. Ah! Limited edition. I mean, they have another box set, but this was the only way to get this cover was through the 88 Films' website. So we'll open him up. Cellophane. I don't need to keep the cellophane on stuff like this, because it's printed on the back. If it had been like a J card, then I would have kept the plastic on to keep the J card nice on there. So let's see. Oh boy, it's a pretty thick poster. So, double-sided poster, of course. And it comes with, of course, you know, when they do their big special editions, they come with the book. And of course, this is the new 4K remaster. Tons of special features on there. And I'm sure if you go to their website, you can see all the special features and that. And and postcards. And of course, you got your disc. This is the 4K disc, and then the Blu-ray, which there you go. Going to the back, A, B, and C. Blu-ray is all region. So do not be scared, children. You can watch this in any country you want. Does this have reversible artwork? Yes, it does. So we have that artwork, and then we got this artwork here. I like the one that came with it. The eyeball with the skull in the center. It's kind of cool. So, yeah, brand new 4K. HR10 compatible, Dolby Vision, 2 different commentaries, 3 different commentaries, and interviews and all kinds of stuff. So, yep, and interviews and feature location, English title sequence. All right, but eyeball. And the them 88 films, they be taking all my monies. Eyeball limited cover. Little nice and shiny. Shiny cover. Okay, so that's what I got from 88 films. Just the one. Because they were, well, like I was saying, they were limited to 1,000. And they got to a point where they're like, 90-some% sold. So I'm like, well, if I want it, I better get it now. I got it now. 88 films. 4K. And again, there's the back. Okay. Kind of burying the lead here because I'm pretty excited about the next one. Here's, oh Christ, there's all this crap here too. Alright. Oh, this is from Australia. Australia. Big hunky dunkin' box. Like I said, it's a little banged up, but then again, it did come from Australia, so what are you gonna do? So, waka, waka waka waka, waka waka. There we go. Open this up. Oh, okay. It's actually kind of shipped. Got some paper here, and oh, there's two. Again, there's two things in here, and they're both individually wrapped. We'll do this one first. Because I'm kind of excited about this one too. It's a film I have seen before, and I really like it. This is from Umbrella, and I ordered this one set, the big set that's in here. I'll show you in a second. I'll bury the lead. It was X amount of dollars, and with this shipping from Australia, because it was so high, it was like $30 shipping just for the one. So if I spent like another $15, 15 or 20, whatever it was, I got an extra movie. I'm like, well, it doesn't make sense to me to, because this one was 50 or 55, so it was like an extra $20. I got this. It's a $50 bargain. So, damn you, come on out. And I really wanted this one, so it all worked out. And this is Christopher Smith's Triangle, starring Melissa George, an incredible time loop movie. Okay, and it, all kinds of special features and stuff. Put my glasses on. Shawaka. Book. There's a new. I know there's new commentaries on here and some new special features. I don't know if they remastered the movie or not. That I honestly don't know. It doesn't say either way. But it does say here limited. I didn't even know this. It was limited to 1,500 copies, and this is copy number 36. I hope that's just, they just pull whatever. I'm hoping I'm not the 36th person to buy this. Because it's been on sale for a while, so I'm hoping they've sold more than 35 of these things, But here I will do a little cut here. Because, like I said, there's a J card. I want to keep the J card on there, so we'll just kind of just do a little whooshy. And then we'll do a waka waka there. Whooshalaka right there. And then a woof. Woof, woof, woof. There we go. Pa! And it comes out really nice. Alright. Nice sturdy box. Okay. We got hands are all dry. Winter here in Cleveland. It does come with some cards. Comes with a really cool book. Look at that. And this film is absolutely. This film is. What's going on with my book? Melissa George. Yeah, I said it is a time loop movie, and I highly, highly recommend it. And this is the, it's got this little triangle thing here. The gimmick is Melissa George and her friends go on a boat trip, and this fog rolls in, and this big, huge Titanic type big ship liner comes out, and they get on there, and then there's someone on there killing everybody. Time loop stuff, you know. But again, like I said, I don't know if if this has been remastered or not. Kind of curious. But again, it is, you know, just a Blu-ray. It's not like they put it on 4K or anything. And we got a couple poster. We got a poster here. Which I think this is the American cover. And with the Australian, here's the Blu-ray. And with the Australians, they give you reversible cover. You see how it has like this little rating thing. The reversible doesn't have it, so that I will reverse. You know, it's the same. It's the same cover. It just doesn't have the rating on it. So we'll almost put it in the wrong way. So we'll get rid of that stupid rating on there, because we grown. We watch what we want. All right, we'll put the poster back in here. Let me see if it says anything on here. Commentary, a couple, 2, 3 commentaries. And I know one is brand new. I think there's a brand new commentary with the writer-director Christopher Smith. I think that's the new one. The other ones, I think, are on the other Blu-ray that came out. I think. But there's other special effects on here. Or special making ofs on there. There's a making of, triangle, deleted scene, trailers, behind the scenes gallery, storyboards gallery, all that stuff. So, but I would highly recommend this, even if you don't, buy the, because you don't have to buy the $50 set. You can just buy the umbrella set. Although this is set to region B. So if you don't have an all-region player here in America, you gotta look. But luckily, I have an all-region player, so. And so, I'm really looking forward to digging into this. So I'll put this guy back. So this is a triangle. And, what was I about to say about this? Oh yeah, like I said, you can just order just the Blu-ray only for like $20-some and get, that Blu-ray without all the bells and whistles. But us, fancy people, we like our bells and whistles. Because we are fancy, fancy people. Alright. I know what this is. Hopefully I don't cut it. Yeah, they wrapped it up nice. Look at that. Yeah, umbrella. Know what they doing. Those Australians. Yes, ladies and gents, there's been a lot of talk about it. Everyone's getting them in the mail because they're shipping. Obviously, I have it. It is the Terrifier art box. Art Attack box. I have seen another unboxing. I'm not going to take out the back because, again, there's a J card here on the back. Basically, the back of the cover is basically the back of this. So you actually, so if you turn it around, it would be, you would see this background, but the back of him. Because it's the back of the box. So let's see here. Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice set. This was one of the ones I had debated on, because I'm like, well, he's making a fourth, and they're going to come out with a fourth thing, a four movie set, I'm sure. And well, I guess I can stay like that. I guess let's see if I cut myself here. Shwaka shwaka. There we go. Perfect. And now it is perfect. All right. There we go. Oh, you get stickers. Oh, cool. But yeah, so you get the art box. Nice sturdy box. Here's a look at the stickers. I guess that's how one. I don't know. Kind of fits. And then there's cards, which I'm sure is probably like, scenes from Malfi films. But again, I don't open those. They just stay where they are. Oh yeah, look at that cover of that book. You get a nice big, it's like a 200-page hardcover book. I think it's 200 pages. Let's see if it says. Oh, 260 pages. Wow, yeah. And it's in English. All right. Or is it in Australian? Good day, mate. And behind the scenes pictures. There's Damon. In each movie comes with their own slipcovers too. So these are, pretty nice, decent slipcovers, and they got some spot glossing and whatnot on them. Disc Terrifier 1. I've been watching a bunch of other people doing unboxings, and they're all impressed because look how it's clear. So, this one has All Hallows Eve on it too, which I'm not sure if that's on the 4K or is that just Blu-ray only. I'm not sure. Yeah, I honestly don't know. But you getting all three films are in 4K. And there's a Terrifier 2. Oh, that cool back cover there of Lauren. You get 2 discs. You get the 4K and the Blu-ray. And then 2 and 3 also come with posters. And I'm not sure why 1 didn't, but that's okay. Here's a poster for Terrifier 2. Or is this Terrifier? Oh, I see. It's just, here's the poster for Terrifier, and then here's the poster for Terrifier 2. I see. I see what they did. Yeah, this is another great release here. I don't know if you can count this as a 2025 release or 2024, because they did, this is like a pre-order. So, is it a 24 or 25? I don't know. And then there's a Terrifier 3. And a great cover. And in the back, you get all the special features. And again, you got your, well, there we go. Got your disc. And your Blu-ray. The, you know, the 4K here is the same as the slip. And this one also comes with a poster. There you go. There's a, oh, Terrifier the Art Collection. And then Terrifier 3. Okay, so you get the poster for 1, 2, and 3, and then one for the Art Collection. Okay, so I see what they did. That makes sense. But yeah, that's a great poster though. I like that one for Terrifier 3. Yeah, I can't wait to dig into this. And again, they do have reversible art, but again, it is the same cover. As you can see, you have that cover, and there you just don't have the rating there. So I will reverse them. Because again, we grown. We don't need our ratings on our movies. So this is a great set, but oh yeah, I kind of stopped myself as saying, because I'm sure they're gonna do a 4, you know, a 4 set, you know, I'm sure, but you do get the book in the cool box, and I was like, well, the other one, if they do a 4 movie one, I'm like, well, I guess we'll just buy that when that one comes out. You know, it ain't gonna be for another year or so, a year and a half, 2 years anyway. So, who knows? Maybe there'll be more special features on the other ones, and it'll be a complete with more who knows? But I'm like, I talked to a friend of mine. I kind of convinced him he got it too. I was like, oh, who knows? We'll see. We'll see what happens in a year or so. I go, this is available now. So, this is my my big purchases here from Umbrella. Oh, I forgot to look at the Blu-ray. Are the Blu-rays? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's the all region, A, B, and C. So it looks like the Blu-rays are all region. So there you go. So feel free, go to Umbrella's website, or maybe Diabolic Video might have it, Orbit DVD might have it, or eBay will have this set. And if you're interested in America, you don't have to worry about the Blu-rays not playing, because they are all region. And here, so you get all 3 Terrifiers and All Hallows Eve, the prequel movie, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so great mail day for Raj. And I got some other stuff coming, so there'll probably be another video in a few days. Yay! More goodies. So pretty excited. Both those have shipped. So the other stuff that I'm expecting. So I was hoping to have it there and have a big, huge unboxing, but that's okay. Split it up into 2. I'll wait for the other 2 things to come. I got 2 things coming. It should be here any day. Anywho, thanks for watching. And everyone be nice to each other and have a great day and buy movies. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yay! Stupid glasses.